Saturday cycling in Angkor Wat. Who can, can't believe it. I'm here with Steve Lidgey. He lives here. Shows me around all the dirt roads, secret locations, secret gardens, secrets. It's amazing. I mean, I keep telling myself it's Saturday, for God's sake. You know, people go shopping, and where am I? In a beautiful, tropical, yeah, ancient, spiritual place, Angkor Wat. And on the bicycle, come on, Steve. This is my old buddy Koga. This is Koga. This is Miata. Or the other way around. I'm Michael, and yeah, next time if you're in Cambodia, I mean, I'll leave a link to Steve's contact or mine for the photo tours. And I'd love to see you down here again, because Cambodia is open. It's the only Southeast Asia country that is open for vaccinated people, so you gotta get a shot somehow, somewhere. And after that you're here and life goes on, and living the dream. Living the dream. Thank you.